Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to buy Solana on Coinbase. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. Buying Solana on Coinbase is quite simple. Open up a web browser of your choice and go to the search box at the top of the screen. Type in www.coinbase.com and press enter. Log into your Coinbase account, or if you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. Check in the description box below in order to learn how to create a new account on Coinbase. You'll be provided a link below. Click it on and watch the video. Once you're logged into your Coinbase account, in order to buy Solana, go and click on the trade button at the left-hand side of the screen. You'll be able to see all of the assets displayed on the next page. Go ahead and search for Solana from the list, or you can directly type it into the search box. Once you see Solana popping up at the very top, you'll be able to see a buy button right next to it. Click on buy. Tap on the add a payment method box if you haven't done that yet. You can use a bank account, debit card, or initiate a wire. Once you add a payment method for yourself, you'll be able to buy Solana for Coinbase by following the instructions. Enter the amount that you'd want to buy and finalize your purchase by tapping on Buy Solana. That is how you can easily buy Solana on Coinbase quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.